Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, and you're listening to another episode of Catalogs, Manifest, and Metadata. Oh my. And in this one, we're going to be talking about the next step in the Apache Iceberg sort of lineage, which would be manifest lists. So last time we talked about metadata.json files where we'd find the list of snapshots and then we'd identify which snapshot we want to scan. Now, each snapshot is made up of lots of groups of files, which are the manifests, which will be the subject of the next episode. But which of these groups belong to this particular snapshot? And that's what a manifest list is. It's a list of manifests. But it's not just saying, hey, these are the groups of files that make up this table. It also rolls up the statistics of each group of files. So basically it'll say, okay, here's manifest 1, and these are like the range of values that it covers. Here's the partition values it covers. The partitioning schema at which it was written with, the schema that it was written with, all this kind of information the engine needs in order to be able to operate and read that data correctly. So then what it can do is it can look through these files and say, okay, hey, for example, let's say you partition the data based on, let's pretend it's like a voter data, and they're partitioned by party, and you're saying, hey, I'm scanning all, I want all records where party is yellow. Okay, then what's going to happen? It's going to go to each partition value for that manifest and say, hey, is the value that I'm looking for within the range of values for that particular manifest? And if not, it can just toss out that manifest. It can just be like, I don't need to scan this. So that's a whole group of files you've just avoided scanning, which speeds up the whole query because you know for sure that there's no data you need in those files, so you just don't bother ever touching them. So you're reducing your file operations, which is one of the key points in the way Apache Iceberg is structured. And then you basically would keep doing that until you've evaluated every manifest, and then the remaining manifest would be the manifest you then go back and scan. And what happens there we'll kind of cover in the next episode when we talk about manifests here on Catalogs, Manifests, and Metadata. Oh my. So I'll see you all next time. Have a great day and enjoy. If you haven't listened to the other episodes before this, go listen to it so you can get the full story about Apache Iceberg. And again, once we're done covering all the features of Apache Iceberg, we'll then kind of get into other open source technologies like Apache Arrow and so forth. So see you all later.